Now you do your tongue thing. Let me see your teeth. I love that tooth that's coming in. And it's gonna be soon, Emily love. Keep those germy germs away from me though. Hey monkey, back up. Don't hurt my camera. Get your baboon butt out of here. Okay, back up.
If you touch Daddy's camera, he's gonna rip you off and tell you what. He's not gonna. He's not gonna be nice. He's gonna rip you off.
Emily. I got a goober in my throat.
Swallow it.
I don't like swallowing goobers. Goober. Hey Emily, what you doing? Making those faces at Daddy. Gonna bang my boba ding rock roo. Don't scratch me, bamboo. Get off of me, monkey. I don't like doing what you want to see. I will knock you out, take you out, knock you out, knock the stuffing right out of you. You'll be so skinny you won't know what to do. You'll be walking around all pink and unbloated. You'll look like you don't have any inside, 'cause that stuffing will be in the hide. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We put him in my bed in my room.
Yeah, I'll put him back, but he'll be real skinny. 'Cause it's... Flu sneeze. Don't breathe. Only exhale. I'm gonna have to breathe soon because I keep singing, but I'm not breathing. I need something to cover my mouth. I'll breathe through this dirty towel. Oh, it stinks! Where was that towel?
I've been on the floor, so would you?
Oh, dirty towel or flu sneeze? What's better?
A dirty towel.
Then flu sneeze? Oh man.
You know I was just saying that.
I don't know. We gotta take your temperature. You're acting delirious. She's delirious. We need to check her temperature, make she drinks enough water. That's how you do it. Combat the flu. Don't let it come after you. I'm taking some vitamin C. If you know what I mean. Drinking lots of water. Yes.
Please don't push those buttons.
Why not?
Because I don't want you to. You're
Why?
disturbing me like that.
I'm disturbing you. Oh my God, where's his body?
Is he soft?
Yes, but he's only got a head.